I'm going to try to show you what a walk along this very blustery, windy day on the beach is like here in Roatan. It's just so awesome. You just have to see it for yourself. Right now I'm walking toward the west. So of course you're not seeing the sunrise here. But boy, are these waves something else, huh? Am I getting wet? Yeah, a little bit. It's okay. The water's so warm. I'll let you take a look at now. Now we're facing north. Quieter facing this way, huh? They call this a norther that we're having now. So the winds come from the northwest, and it has cooled down so nicely into the lower 70s, mid 70s. Gets up in the 80s, of course, during the day, but oh, it's so refreshing right now. We've had a lot of rain. All right, I think we're going to turn and head back to the east now. It'll be closer to where my path is to get to home. I don't think it's gonna rain, but there, that's better. But there are a lot of clouds out there, huh? Aren't they beautiful? Okay, so I'll show you now. This is going towards the south. There's a big rain cloud there, huh? Right over us. Beautiful palm trees. So we're looking west again, and way down there, you've seen it in my pictures a lot probably. That's called the Point. And you can actually get out there by climbing down a lot of rocks. I haven't done it. I think Mike got pretty far out there once. I don't think I'm going to do it either, but... Okay, so now I really am going to head back towards home. Sun's coming up. This is a nice calm sea. Not right now, we should stir it up. much trash is washed up with this storm. It's just awful. I can hardly stand to look at it. But it is the reality. And then the sad part is, another storm will come and take it back out to sea. We pick up a lot of trash. Mike and I come out with buckets and trash pickers and big garbage bags. We pick up a lot of it, but when it gets to be like this, I mean, it's just like nearly impossible. Have to be careful where you walk because we've seen syringes. Look at that gorgeous sunset coming up, or sunrise coming up right now. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Let's see if we can zone in a little bit. Oh my goodness. Thanks for coming on this walk with me. I'm almost to my access way to go home. I think I'll get some more pictures with my other camera. And I'll see you later.